house is. Very grand. It's obviously quite an affluent area. Wow, who lives in a house like that? Well, that's a hotel. They all went. The holiday park. Yeah, I bet it was. Got a golf club. George would like that. Comrie Golf Club. A challenging 9-hole course with stunning views. An escape park if you get bored with your golf. Glenturret Distillery is up the road. Have you ever drunk that?
Oh, probably.
What's that?
Cricket pitch.
Oh, it's nice. Creef Highland Gathering. Oh, this is Creef, is it? We've just never come in from this way. Yeah, this is Creef. We normally come in from the Perth end. Remember that time we stayed above the bakers?
Yes. Yes.
This is where Bernadette's son lives. Kendrick. He works for the Forestry Commission, I think. So here we are in Comrie. So here we are in Creef. This is what I'm like before I get my brekkie. More doolally than ever.
I'm assuming I'm going up this road, am I?
Yes, straight ahead. We're just driving through here heading to Perth. Oh, it's so sad seeing all these shops empty. A sweetie shop. To let.
Was it down there we stayed?
Yeah, I think it was. Down that lane,
yeah,
down there. All I remember is Munchbox. We got our first ever Munchbox here.
From the Chapara.
Yeah. And it was beige heaven. Any food that wasn't beige wasn't allowed in. Battered and beige. Fish and Creef. The only other thing I know about here is that property is quite good value for money.
Good value for money?
Yeah. Bernadette's son got a lovely house for a reasonable price. Sausage! Sausage on a lead. Cleef Golf Club. Gosh, has everywhere got a golf club in Scotland? Oh, that looks a nice one. Oh, a nice clubhouse. That's massive. Oh, that is a lovely one. Have you ever played there, Paul?
Nope.
It's huge. I'm guessing this would be like, is it 18 holes? Because the last one in Comrie looked quite wee and it said 9. Challenging with stunning views, but this looks huge.
I think he's Marvin's job safe, is it?
Oh, have I got it all wrong?
No, you're...
Have I? Look, it's still going on. That's actually still the golf course. Still the golf course. Still the golf course. I can't believe how big that place is. Quite hilly. Yep, still the golf course. I'm not even joking, Paul. It's still the golf course. Gilmerton. Could you turn the heating down, please? I'm starting to perspire.
Do that as well. That's fucking...
Medvin. Getting closer to Perth. Chemist cafe off licence and a post office. What more do you need? And a wee church. Obviously a commuter village for people that work in Perth, because there was not a lot to it. Oh, bowling club. Bowling club. And we are now approaching Lochte.
What did you say?
I just wanted some driver involvement.
Oh, aye. From the lady, can't even turn off the bloody heating herself.
I know, but it takes two hands to hold the GoPro. Service station coming up. Almond Bank station. 178. Is that dearer?
It is 173 back there.
Ah. City of Perth. This is us coming into Perth.
Looks like a cinema or something here. This is Cutlog Vennel, or trying to find the bus back to the park and ride. Would never have come up here. We're just following Google Map. Well, we're following Carol, who's in charge of the map reading. What's the worst that could happen? Hey Carol.
Have a little faith.
Gotta have faith, the faith, the faith.